Here we have a good old groundwork. Good old basement groundwork. Those who know what they're looking at, what's that look like to you? Huh? Yeah. That is the main sewer coming in the house right there. That's the clean out. Coming in 4-inch. That's a 4-inch cast iron. Going all the way there. And all the way over there. You see? Our job today is to get this pipe out of there and lay some new pipe right and take its place. Minimum slope, because we got a bathroom to plumb over there in that area. You see that? Yeah, there's quite a bit of work.